Hello, I'm Mr. Ray. We'll be looking at the conservation of energy briefly. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can only be changed from one form to another. Let's look at this object. The potential energy of this object here is 10 joules. If the object drops to this point, the potential energy has been reduced to 8 joules. The loss in potential energy, which is 2 joules, is same as the gain in the kinetic energy, so that the total energy can still be 10, because the total energy must be 10 is equal to the sum of the potential energy and the kinetic energy. So the loss in the potential energy is same as the gain in the kinetic energy. Every loss in the potential energy is compensated by a gain in the kinetic energy. Okay, let's quickly look at this question and apply what we just looked at. A particle starting from rest falls freely. Okay, let's look at the complete question. A particle starting from rest falls freely from a height h above the ground. If g is the acceleration due to gravity, show from energy consideration that the velocity v with which the particle strikes the ground is given by the expression v is equal to the square root of 2gh. So here we have the loss in potential energy is equal to the gain in kinetic energy. So the loss in potential energy is mgh, which is equal to the gain in kinetic energy, which is half mv squared. So m will cancel out. So here, if we cross multiply, we're having 2gh is equals to v squared. And if we now take the square root of both sides, if we take the square root of both sides, we will be left with the square root of 2gh is equal to the square root of v squared. The square will cancel out square root. And lastly, we'll be left with the final answer, which is equal to what we have here. Thank you for watching. See you in my next class.